Jai Hind student, welcome to English class. Now students, let's see few important rules about direct and indirect speech because these rules often confuse us when we change direct into indirect speech. So let's understand about how the pronoun is changed, because this is very important when we change direct into indirect speech. So that is to be taken very attentively, ki what is the pronoun and how this pronoun changed according to subject or according to object. So that we will be discussing in this lecture. So before that, let's see few words, how these words change from direct to indirect speech. Now this is the list of the words, and these words, if they are used in direct speech, so they changed accordingly in the indirect speech. For example, today changes to that day, yesterday the day before, tomorrow the following day, is am to was were to had been, did to had, will shall to would should, can to could, must to had to, ago before, this to that, these to those, last to the previous, are to were, may to might, now to then, today to that day, it to that, and next to the following. So these are the few words, the verbs here, the change in the indirect speech. Now the time and adverbs, they are also changed in indirect speech. Just see few examples. For example, he said, I will buy a book tomorrow. So here you can see, he said, the I word, that is changed according to the subject, that is he. So he said that he will change into would. He would buy a book tomorrow will change into the next day. So these you have to remember these rules while changing direct into indirect. Okay. For example, she said, I am happy now. She said that she was happy, now changes into then. He said, I like this book. He said that he liked that book. This changes into that, and the verb, that is your simple present, changes into past. Okay, or you can say present indefinite changes into past indefinite. Now let's discuss how the pronoun changes when we change direct into indirect speech. Now first let's talk about the first person pronoun. First person means I, my, mine, myself, we, our, us, ours, ourself. So these are the first person pronouns, जिनको first person हम बोलते हैं, and these pronouns they change according to the subject of reporting speech. Okay, तो subject क्या है reporting speech is she said I sold my car myself. So here the reporting speech is she said, and what is the subject of this reporting speech? That is she. So here the first pronoun, that is I, you can see this, these are the first pronouns here used in the reported speech. So they will change, these words will change according to she के according ये change हो जाएंगे. Okay, that is the subject. So I will become she, my will become her, myself will become herself. So she said that she sold her car herself. So this is in the case of first person. When a second person is used, second person pronoun, that is you, your, yours, yourself. Now in this case, all the second person pronoun, they are changed according to the object of reporting speech. Now reporting speech is she said to me. This is the reporting speech, and here the object is me. रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच का ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? मी. तो यहाँ पे प्रोनाउंस जो हैं वो मी के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होंगे, जो भी प्रोनाउन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में यूज़ हुए हैं, लाइक यू, योर एंड योर सेल्फ. So this will change according to me. So what will be the indirect speech? She told me. Now said to will change into told. Okay, told में change हो जाएगा and to हट जाएगा. तो she told me, that will be there, that we have already discussed in the rules. She told me that I. Now me is the object and you will change according to me. She told me that I wasted, past tense में हो जाएगा because ये present indefinite में है. I wasted my precious time myself. Okay, so here you can see how the pronouns are changed according to the object of the reporting speech. Now let's talk about the third person. Now all third person pronoun will remain unchanged. No changed if the third person pronoun is used in the reported speech. For example, he said she is busy with her toy. Now she is the third person pronoun here. So neither she will change nor her will change. Simply the sentence will be she said that she was busy. Tense will change. She was busy with her toy. Simply. So this is how the pronouns change. Now you can see the chart and you need to remember this chart. This chart will help you to memorize how the pronouns changed in case of reported speech. I changes into he, she, we to they, you to he, she, they, my to his, her, are to their, your to his, her, their, then me to him, us to them, you to him, her, them, mine to his, hers, ours to theirs, and yours to his, hers, theirs. So this is how a direct speech is changed into when it is changed to indirect speech, the pronouns how they are changed. Now there is few more thing. Suppose if the first person in the reported speech, अगर reported speech में I, we, me है, first person है, okay, I है, we, me, us, mine, our, as you can see, then is not changed if the pronoun subject of reporting is also first person. Now, if the subject of the reporting speech is in first person, that is I said, and the pronouns used in the reported speech, they are also in first person, like I, we, me, then there is no change. As you can see in the example, I said I write a letter. I said that I wrote a letter. Simply the tense has changed. Present has become past. We said we completed our work. We said that we completed our work. We had completed our work. Okay. नेक्स्ट आते हैं सेकेंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन. नाउ सेकेंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन इन द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच, यू, योर्स इज चेंज्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू द पर्सन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. नाउ हेयर यू कैन सी द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. For example, she said to him. So him is the object of the reporting verb. Now if in the reported speech the second person is used, for example you, then what will happen, this you will change according to him. you जो है वो किसके अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होगा, him के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल she said to him you are intelligent. she said to him और she told him भी हो सकता है यहाँ पे. okay, said to him or you can write told him also. she told him that you will changed according to him, so it will become he was intelligent, past में आ जाएगा. he said to me you are late for the party. he told me or he said to me that he was late for the party. Sorry, I was late for the party, because here the object is me and the second person pronoun you will change according to me, so it will become I was late for the party. नाउ इन द सेम वे अगर हम थर्ड पर्सन है रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में, ही, शी यूज़ हुआ है, ही, शी, इट, दे, हिम, हिज, हर, देम और देयर, सो दे आर नॉट चेंज्ड इन द इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. ठीक है, अगर जो है रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में जो प्रोनाउन यूज़ हुआ है वो थर्ड पर्सन है और जो रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच है उसमें भी सब्जेक्ट थर्ड पर्सन है, then there will be no change. For example, they said he will come. They said that he would come. Simply will change into would. Only the tense will change. You said you are waiting for the bus. You said they are waiting for the bus. You said that they are waiting for the bus. So this is how the pronoun changes from direct to indirect speech. So this is all, student. uh, these are the few rules related to your pronouns. Now we will be discussing few more rules related to modals, related to tenses. This is all, student. Thank you, everybody.